The Canister Filter Kit allows you to upgrade your cloth filter bag to the canister style. The canister filter removes particles down to 2 microns in size and has more surface area for better airflow due to the pleated design. The kit includes the canister filter, the handle to rotate the filter cleaning fins, a new lower bag retainer, 5 disposable lower bags, and the hardware needed to install the canister. Installing a canister filter kit is an upgrade that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I began the installation of my canister filter kit by removing the parts from the box. Now I'm going to tip the canister on its side and remove the bag retainer as well as the handle from the inside. Now I'll remove the old dust collection bag from the collector. In this case, it's a 5 micron felt bag and it's secured with this retainer strap. I'll release the strap and pull the bag away from the dust collector. Now I'll remove the bag hanger and its mounting bracket from the dust collector. And I'll resecure the leg back to the drum. Now I need to assemble the handle for the cleaning paddles to the canister. I'll use the hardware that came with the kit to install the handle. First, I thread one of the nuts into place. And I don't want to thread it all the way down. I want to leave about a 1/2 inch or 5/8 of an inch of thread exposed. That is so the handle has clearance around the drum. So that looks good. I'll remove the handle and place one of the flat washers. Now I install the handle, followed by a second flat washer, the lock washer, and the second nut. And I'll use a couple of wrenches to secure the nuts. Now I'll place the canister onto the dust collector and secure it with the knobs that came with the kit. And I'll finish up by installing one of the new plastic bags that came with the kit. The kit gives you the option of changing over to the disposable plastic bags if your dust collector previously used the cloth bag. To use the plastic bags, first I pull the bag up through the inside of the retainer, and then I want to wrap about 2 or 3 inches of the bag over the top of the retainer. And now I can install this onto the dust collector. I place the retainer along the flange that's just inside the drum. I'll put as much of the retainer in place as I can. Once it's in place, there'll be a small amount of the retainer sticking out from the drum. I'll push this piece into the dust collector and then let it snap into place, being careful not to pinch your fingers. And it's ready to go. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.